Hello everyone, welcome back to another Python tutorial. Today we are going to dive into the basics of tuples in Python and explore how to manipulate them. So let's start with simple basic how to declare tuples. So let's declare a variable that is my tuple. So this is how we declare tuple. Let's print out our tuple and let's print out the type of my tuple. What is the type of this? Let's run this. Here you can see we have printed out, we have created a variable, assign it to multiple values, this braces, and we have printed out the tuple, and we have printed out what type it is, what type of variable it is. So it is of tuple type. So you can see here it is of class tuple. So let's see how we can find out the length of tuple. Let's print out the length. So to find out length, we use the inbuilt length function. Let's run this. Here you can see the length of tuple is 5. The 5 elements in our braces, so we have printed out the number of elements. The length of our tuple is 5. So this is how we find out the length of tuple with the help of the len function. So let's see how we can access particular elements in a tuple. Accessing elements. So how do we access elements? With the help of their indexes. So let's print out what it is there at our first index. So as you remember, the indexing starts with 0 and ends with -1, right? First element is code tuple. Now this is the syntax to access a particular element. At here we input the indexes. So let's see what is that. What is the element at our 0th index? Here you can see it's 1. So it is showing 1. So let's try to print out the last element. So last element is, as you remember, the last element is the last index is -1. So let's print this out. Here you can see it, a printer out our last element. So let's try slicing. How we can slice the sub elements of our tuple. Let's print out the sub tuple. Here, as you can see, it have printed out the tuple from the second index 0, 1, 2. So here you can see it have included the index that is mentioned here. See, it have printed out, it have sliced our tuple from the index 2, 0, 1, 2, that's from here till the end. So if we keep it empty, so it means till the end. So let's try concatenation. Let's declare another tuple. We gave it name as new tuple. So let's chop it first. For to concatenate, we use the plus sign. So let's see what we need to concatenate it with. Let's try adding 6, 7, 8 at the end. So what it does, what the plus sign does here, it concatenates two tuples. The my tuple, which is declared over here, and this another new tuple, which we have declared over here, and it assigns to our new tuple. Let's print out our concatenated tuple. That's what new tuple. Let's print this out. Here you can see we have combined this tuple with our newly declared tuple with the plus sign. So this is how we concatenate tuple. So we're done with concatenation. So we are done with tuples here. So and remember one more thing that tuples are immutable. So these are some basic tuple operations that you can perform in Python. And also remember that tuples are immutable. Immutable means once created, they cannot be changed. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tutorials. Happy coding. Thank you for watching. Thank you all.